Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this video, we continue diving into what makes Kachemak Bay oysters premium seafood, from their nutrient-rich habitat to their role in supporting local ecosystems. Understanding the flavor profile of Kachemak Bay oysters. When you taste a Kachemak Bay oyster, you're not just eating seafood, you're experiencing the unique environment it came from. The bay's cold, clean waters give these oysters a distinct set of characteristics that set them apart. It's a flavor journey that reflects its Alaskan home. Briny notes and sweet finish. The first thing you'll notice with a Kachemak Bay oyster is likely its inviting brininess. This isn't just salt, it's a clean, ocean-fresh taste that speaks to the purity of the bay's waters. This characteristic brininess comes from the constant flow of cold, nutrient-rich water. But don't expect it to be overpowering. Just behind that initial tang, you'll often discover a subtle, almost melon-like sweetness. We connect this pleasant sweetness to the specific minerals present in the bay. These minerals, brought in by glacial meltwater, influence the oyster's internal chemistry, creating that delightful sweet finish. It's a balanced profile that keeps you wanting more. Firm texture and clean taste. Beyond their flavor, Kachemak Bay oysters stand out for their texture. Because they grow slowly in consistently cold water, these oysters develop a remarkably plump and firm meat. It's not chewy, but rather offers a satisfying bite that melts in your mouth. This slow growth also contributes to their clean, crisp taste. You won't find any muddy or off flavors here. Instead, each oyster delivers a remarkably pure essence of the sea, free from any unpleasant aftertaste. This combination of firm texture and clean taste makes Kachemak Bay oysters a favorite among those who appreciate premium seafood. Pairing Kachemak Bay oysters, beyond the lemon wedge. Kachemak Bay oysters are delicious on their own, but pairing them thoughtfully can really elevate the experience. Think beyond just a lemon wedge. The right drink or accompaniment brings out their subtle sweetness and clean finish. It transforms a simple bite into a culinary moment. Ideal beverage pairings. Choosing the right drink helps highlight the unique taste of these Alaskan gems. Consider options with bright acidity or soft bubbles. These choices complement the oyster's natural brininess without overpowering its delicate flavor. Here are some top picks for beverages that pair wonderfully with Kachemak Bay oysters. Wine. Muscadet. This French white wine offers crisp minerality and bright acidity, a classic pairing for oysters. Its dry profile cleanses the palate. Sauvignon Blanc. Look for unoaked versions. Their zesty citrus notes and herbal hints work well with the oyster's brininess. Sparkling wine brut or extra brut. The bubbles and high acidity in a dry sparkling wine cut through the richness. It is refreshing and celebratory. Beer. Dry Irish Stout. Surprisingly, the roasted notes and dry finish of a stout can complement the oyster's salty character. It is a bold but rewarding combination. Goza or Sour Ale. These beers often have a refreshing tartness and sometimes a hint of salt. It mirrors the oyster's profile nicely. Light Lager or Pilsner. When in doubt, a crisp, clean lager provides a refreshing contrast without competing with the oyster's flavor. Cocktails. Dry Martini. The clean, botanical notes of a well-made gin martini stand up to the oyster's flavor. Keep it very dry. Vodka with a splash of dry vermouth. Similar to the martini, a cold, unadorned vodka drink can be a simple, elegant pairing. Sake Jun Mai Dai Genjo. A high-quality, dry sake offers a subtle sweetness and umami that can surprisingly enhance the oyster's profile. Serving suggestions and accompaniments. The goal of any accompaniment is to enhance, not mask, the oyster's exquisite flavor. Fresh ingredients and balanced flavors make all the difference. Think about adding a touch of acidity, a whisper of heat, or an herbal note. Consider these ways to elevate your Kachemak Bay oyster experience. Mignonettes. These classic oyster sauces rely on acidity. They are simple to make and customize. Classic shallot mignonette. Finely diced shallots, red wine vinegar, and black pepper. It is timeless for a reason. Cucumber and mint mignonette. Diced cucumber, fresh mint, rice vinegar, and a pinch of sugar. This adds a refreshing coolness. Ginger and lime mignonette. Grated fresh ginger, lime juice, and a touch of soy sauce. It brings an Asian-inspired zest. Hot sauces. A little heat can be a good thing, but choose sauces that are balanced and don't overwhelm. Mild red pepper sauce. A classic dash of a vinegar-based hot sauce adds a gentle kick. Rocoto pepper sauce. For more adventurous palates, a Peruvian rocoto or Azi Amarillo sauce offers fruity heat. Homemade fermented chili sauce. If you like to experiment, a simple fermented chili sauce can add complex layers of flavor. Other fresh accompaniments. Sometimes less is more. Fresh horseradish. Grated directly onto the oyster for a potent, sinus-clearing kick. Chopped chives or parsley. A sprinkling of fresh herbs adds a subtle green note and visual appeal. Lemon or lime wedges. A squeeze of fresh citrus remains a simple, perfect foil for the oyster's brininess. A tiny dab of caviar. For a truly luxurious experience, a small amount of high-quality caviar echoes the ocean's essence. Responsible consumption and supporting Alaskan aquaculture. When you choose Kachemak Bay Oysters, you are doing more than just picking a delicious meal. You are also supporting a careful system that benefits local people and protects the environment. It is about understanding the bigger picture behind each oyster. This choice helps build a stronger future for coastal Alaska. Economic benefits for local communities. The oyster industry in Kachemak Bay provides real economic gains for the people who live and work there. It is not just about a few big companies. Many small, family-owned farms operate in the bay. These farms create jobs that keep communities thriving. Consider these ways the oyster industry helps local economies. Direct employment. Oyster farms need workers for many tasks. This includes growing, harvesting, and processing the oysters. These are steady jobs. Support for local businesses. Farms buy supplies locally. They use local boat repair shops, equipment suppliers, and transportation services. This cycles money back into the community. Tourism and local spending. The reputation of Kachemak Bay Oysters draws visitors. Tourists come to taste the oysters and often spend money at local restaurants, shops, and lodging. This boosts the entire area's economy. The oyster industry helps keep these communities alive and well. It provides a stable source of income. It helps families stay in their hometowns. Environmental stewardship and sustainable practices. Kachemak Bay oyster farmers are deeply committed to protecting their natural surroundings. They know that a healthy bay means healthy oysters. Their farming methods show a strong respect for the marine ecosystem. Here is how they show their dedication to the environment. Minimal environmental footprint. Oyster farming is fairly low impact. Farmers do not use chemicals or feed. The oysters filter the water as they grow, actually improving water quality. Habitat preservation. Farming practices like suspended cultivation keep gear off the seafloor. This protects natural habitats like eelgrass beds where other marine life thrives. Guardians of the bay. Farmers are often the first to notice changes in the bay. They act as informal monitors of water quality and ecosystem health. They have a vested interest in keeping the bay pristine. Long-term vision. Farmers look to the future. They adopt methods that ensure the bay can keep producing oysters for many generations. This protects both the environment and their livelihoods. Choosing Kachemak Bay Oysters means you support these vital conservation efforts. You are part of keeping Alaska's waters clean and productive. You help ensure this special place remains healthy for years to come. Kachemak Bay oysters stand out as a premium seafood choice due to their unique flavor and the dedication of their growers. The cold, nutrient-rich Alaskan waters give them a distinct briny taste with a sweet finish, along with a firm, clean texture. Every oyster reflects sustainable farming methods that protect the bay's pristine environment and support local economies. Choosing these oysters means experiencing exceptional quality while supporting responsible aquaculture. Discover the taste of Alaska by seeking out Kachemak Bay oysters. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.